Hi everybody, welcome. Today in this video we are going to discuss about AI services offered by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So what we are going to cover? We are going to cover what are the OCI AI services, and we are going to deep dive in each one of the services such as generative AI service, digital assistant, language service, speech service, vision service, and document understanding service. So these are the services offered by OCI natively within Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Let's begin and let's deep dive into all those AI services. So OCI AI services is a combination of multiple services for different use cases. It's not like only one service is available for all the use cases. No, the customer may have a different use cases, and depending on the use cases, they can leverage different OCI services which are available natively as a managed service within OCI. The first service is generative AI service. As you know, generative AI is the buzzword these days. So there may be multiple use cases for your generative AI application, such as I want to generate the text. I want to generate the images. So in case you wanted to achieve all those use cases, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is the right set of cloud which helps you to generate the content, and you can use that native Gen AI service. The second service is digital assistant. Digital assistant is another service which will help to create virtual assistant which can be deployed, which can be interfaced with any application such as your social application, such as WhatsApp, such as your web application, internal application. So create a virtual assistant and interface that assistant on any application. The another is language service. So you have a email coming from your customer and you want to analyze the tone of that email. Maybe the email is written in the angry mood or the email is written in the happy mode. So you can analyze the sentiment of the email with the help of language service. Another service is a speech service. Somebody has recorded something and it is a lengthy audio. You don't want to listen it, though you wanted to create a transcript using that, you want to generate the transcript of it so that you can read that out. So speech service is the service where you can upload that audio file and it will generate the transcript. So another service is a vision service. Vision service is another important service using which you can classify the objects. You can detect the objects from an image. Maybe there's a crime. Maybe on the crime, there's a crime which has happened and you have an image of that crime scene, and then you wanted to detect what all objects are there and present at that point of time using that image. You can do that via that vision service. Another service is document understanding service. So it has other set of features that we are going to discuss in the next few slides. So Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is the right cloud which gives you a plenty of AI services to achieve your AI applications goals. Let's begin and let's deep dive into each one of the services. The first service is called Generative AI Service. Generative AI Service is the fully managed OCI service that provides a state-of-art, customizable large language models that cover a wide range of use cases like, like we have the chat application you want to text generation. You want to generate the text. Maybe you are providing a paragraph. Hey, can you please help me? What is AI service? Can you rephrase this sentence? So this generative AI service can rephrase your complete paragraph that you give. The third may be summarization. You have a Word document or you may have a lengthy email from your manager and you want to summarize it. So you simply provide this complete email to the generative AI service, and it will give you the summarization of this email. Creating text embedding, you can create text embeddings also. So the generative AI supports multiple LLM, the famous models such as Cohere and Llama from Meta, and you can customize those models as per your requirement. So it's a fully customizable generative AI services for all your requirement. The second service is digital assistant. Digital assistant is nothing, it's like a virtual assistant which you create via that service and interface digital assistant on any application, maybe your website, which your customers, which your end users access for day-to-day activities, or on the WhatsApp. As you see today, everybody uses WhatsApp, and they give every business is going to provide the quick services to their customers so that they can get the information that they are looking for. And the most relevant channel today is WhatsApp. So digital assistant you can create and interface with the WhatsApp, and user can chat with this virtual assistant via text, voice, and then by uploading some documents as well. So Oracle Digital Assistant is a platform that allows you to create and deploy digital assistant for your end users. And once it is deployed, it can be interfaced with any other application. The next is language service. Language service is one of the most important service where you wanted to analyze. So you are getting thousands of emails. You're getting thousands of email from your customers, and when they're sending emails, the feedback in the emails can be good, it may be bad. You wanted to create an alarm when the email has a negative feedback. So you can get all those emails in an automated fashion, provides those emails one by one to this service. It will check which email has a negative feedback. If it is, then send an alarm to the guy who takes care the feedback, and then they will try to reach out to the customer asking, hey, what is the issue, sir? How can I help you? Just to improve the customer, customer satisfaction. So OCI language offers powerful text analytics and translation engine. It analyzes vast amounts of unstructured text with ease, utilizing pre-trained and custom models. It can do sentiment analysis, like you provide an email. It will do the analysis of the email. It can do the key phrase extraction. It can do the text classification. It can see the named entity recognition, and it can detect the PII data in text as well. For example, you are providing an email, and in that email, you have credit card number. So it can analyze and see, yes, that guy has the credit card number, and it will flag it. You can also convert data from one language to another, like English to French. So there are multiple languages which are supported natively in that service. Speech. Speech is a service which can convert your audio into a transcript. So maybe there may be a maybe 50 MB of audio file which is coming. You don't want to listen, you don't have much time to listen that audio. Instead, you wanted to convert into the transcript, which you can read very easily. So OCI speech service is the right service which can help you to convert those audios into the transcript, and it will give you the data into a JSON format that any application can read from and show in a text format. So speech uses automation, speech recognition technology to provide a grammatically correct transcription of videos and audio files. The next is vision service. Vision is a service natively provided by OCI that can perform image analysis at scale. So you have pre-built models out of the box which developer can easily use to build their image recognition and text recognition into their application without having much knowledge of ML. So like you are getting multiple images. You wanted to know all the objects in all those images. So you provide that image to that vision service and all the it detect all the objects. It can also classify your documents. It can also detect, it can also detect text from images that you provide. It has various capabilities. The last service is document understanding. Document understanding service is a serverless multi-tenant service that can be used to detect and classify text, tables, and other key data from document files that we upload. It can do various activities like it can be used for various use cases like OCR. Maybe you are providing an image and you say, hey, just get me all the text from that image. Text extraction, meaning you are providing a PDF document and say, give me the complete text. Key value extraction, maybe there's some document that you have given, which is a key and value line. Maybe you have given a Word document and say, hey, can you get me the name, email, age, qualification from that document? It's like a key value pair. Table extraction. So you may have a table in your document and can say, hey, can you extract that table? For example, you are uploading an invoice. From that invoice, you wanted to extract the data from that invoice in a tabular format and provide this to your Oracle application to create an invoice. Document classification, you can provide the multiple documents like driving license or the passport to check what is that document all about. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share that video. Thank you. Bye bye.